Darshan attending today. Super challenge test rides independently. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your sound should be up to Canada and up to APJ. What is your good name?
I'm Darshan.
Where you are residing?
I reside in APJ apartments.
Yes. What is the loudly day of class?
6th day of class.
What is the challenge test number?
5.
5. What is your highest qualification?
I finished 12th and I'm currently pursuing a
Yes.
bachelor's.
Where you are studying?
I am studying in University
Which place?
of Manipur. It is in Canada.
Yes. Today, fifth challenge test rides independently alone from the morning 8:32 till what you have done in loudly, in details, landmarks, explain non-stop.
I took my car from my
Sound should
parking
be louder.
and then I left for the best driving school through Gaudevi Mandir, Devi Jyoti Hotel, and then I went straight from there up to the Bhagat Tarachand restaurant.
Loud.
I
sound.
took a U-turn from there and I returned back and took 2 rounds like that, crossing Best Driving School and Bhagat Tarachand U-turn. Now I am with Master Swami.
And how many total rounds today you have finished?
Around 5, I guess.
Yes. Today, one word. Fifth challenge tested area is in with landmarks. Start from your residence, APJ, Sector 17, from society. Remove your car towards Rahman, towards Andhra Bank or LIC or McDonald, towards Shivaji Chowk. Then Shivaji Chowk towards Bus Depot, 5 Brigade Signal, Kohinoor, Sector 9 Market Area, Shabari Hotel, Trimurti Hotel, Gaudevi Mandir, Best Driving School, via towards Bhagat Tarachand Hotel, Blue Diamond Junction. After that, you taken from there to up to D-Mart, Koparkena, any U-turn, return back to Shivaji Chowk to Blue Diamond, in between to D-Mart. You have finished 3 rounds. After that, from Best Driving School to again you started towards Bhagat Tarachand Hotel, towards Oriental, wherever available place you take a U-turn to again Gaudevi Mandir Trimurti Hotel and return back to Best. This is your total independent test ride of 5th challenge test ride on 6th day under VIP track Master to Master Miracle course. Now you say word sentence summary. How is Master Swami training system, best driving classes?
Master Swami training system is really good. As you can see, on my 6th day itself, I finished 5 tests.
Super,
And-
excellent.
And the 5th test itself is indicative of the fact that how long routes are being taken by me and also without any help. Nobody in the car.
Yes.
And
Is any
that-
mother inside the car? Father, smart sister, any judges as well as Master Swami? Now you got 100 superstars. Then looks one word, king of car on tough traffic road of main Vashi road, Koparkena, successfully passed. You got 100 superstars as well as you got award from Master Swami, you can take car or any brand throughout India without anybody help alone. Today onward. This is your award from Master Swami. Successfully completion of 5 rounds, 5 test rides. Okay. What is the highest speed used in the total driving?
Today,
On the total,
total 80 kilometers.
80. Okay. And yesterday, how many rounds you have taken independently?
6 to 7.
Along with
Along with
your daddy also,
initially
without daddy also.
Yeah.
Okay. Totally you have finished. After that, giving permission. Yesterday, wherever you taken car with your dad from Udin's market and etc.
I took the route with my dad from my home again to Raymond
Yes.
Circle, and then I left for
Okay.
Vishwajyoti Hotel.
In all manner, are you happy?
Yeah.
You come with the permanent license. How you get the license? Where you get the license? In detail.
I got the permanent license in 2016
From?
from Perfect Driving School.
Yes, you trained perfect driving school as well as you got the perfect driving school. In which year?
2016.
After getting license, you are unable to drive on road independently. Then you come to the best driving school. Who recommended?
My mom.
Yes, as per mother recommendation. Are you happy? Wish you best of luck. God bless you. Happy journey. Now I am giving permission from year 2 you go up to Blue Diamond. Then take right turn towards Kopri Signal Junction. Then right turn to Satra Plaza towards Vishwajyoti Circle towards Citibank. Right turn Raymond Circle to left turn to Bank of Maharashtra. U-turn from there. Go to your residence APJ. You park and then मेरे कॉल करने का. Okay, this is your route. Go. Start कर. Hi. Okay, take care. Bye. Hand brake. Down. Okay. Take care. Bye.